What's up guys, welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today I have another tutorial video today, and this is actually going to be a bit of a shorter one because it is actually fairly simple. Today I'm showing you a new type of spinal track right here. As you can see right here, this is the new spinal track. This is Flexi-rods right here. So these are the rods I'll show you for a minute. Rods are essentially the neon rods that are about the same length as these gray ones right here, except what you're able to do with them, they are able to bend. So I'm essentially going to show you how they work. I have a couple examples over here, so I'll show you essentially how they work and how to use them properly. So first thing you can tell is that these have specific connectors on them, and that will connect the flexi rod to the track. That way it creates kind of a spine. So the way those look is they look like this. Essentially you have one neon rod, and you have these little neon connectors. What these are essentially, they are just a neon converter connector from a big rod to a little rod, and on the little rod piece you put a little cream. This is one of those little cream joints, if you can see right there. So one of those little cream joints right there, you just attach those, put them in the other position like this so that you can see them just like this, and then just essentially put it on to the neon rod. That way you're able to bend, and then you can put your track in any which direction. Just note that the neon rod can only fit 4 to 5 connectors, as well as that is how many the track has. The track has a total of 5 connections on it, but I'd say connect at least 4 or more. Let me focus that in there. There we go. So now what we have to do is, the first thing you want to do is, once you connect it to your track right here, as you can see right here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to connect the spine to a structure. So what you want to do, as you can see right here, you can do this in any which direction. Find the closest support and then find a way to connect it. As you can see, I have this kind of arch right here. That is keeping the spinal track connected to the structure. That way the track is incredibly sturdy. And then you can just bend it in any which direction, and then that way you are able to, the track is able to put it in any way, shape, or form that you want it to. And the way to connect another neon spinal track to another is just by an orange connector. As you can see right here, I have 2 track pieces connected, and I just use an orange connector to connect the 2 pieces. So that is really it. That's really how you use a Flexi-rod spinal track. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about it, and also don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos, as I'll keep them coming. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time on the Coaster Crafter channel. Peace.